If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.
Hi, welcome back. I hope you would have worked on JMeter on cloud tools like BlazeMeter, Redline 13, Flood.io, etc. If you go to my website perftractor.xyz, you can check it out all the tools. If you're looking for a performance testing tool or monitoring tool, and also if you have a specific preference like open source or premium, you can just check the appropriate options and you can see the results. And recently I stumbled upon a new cloud-based tool for JMeter called PerfMeter. So in this video we are going to cover a high-level overview about PerfMeter. So PerfMeter is the brand new SaaS platform for load testing using a JMeter. So if you have a JMeter script, you can create an account with PerfMeter, upload it, and you can simulate the real world scenarios using the cloud load generators, and then you can see the results, do a lot of stuffs. So the key important point here is the PerfMeter is in beta release. You can see at the top right, it's a beta release. I think a couple weeks ago it was in alpha release, and now it is in beta release. And if you scroll down, you can see all the features, like it is a SaaS offering, and it is an enterprise level performance engineering platform with smart offerings as auto scripting, mobile network emulation, protocol templates, predictive analytics with machine learning. So these are some of the key sales points they have featured in the website. And also the integration with APM tools is, I think it supports most of the industry standard APM tools like Dynatrace, AppDynamics, Neuralink, etc. And there are a couple of videos available, you can check it out. And the important features are JMeter support. As you see, the backbone is JMeter, and you can simulate your mobile scenarios, network bandwidths, etc. And you can create load test scenarios. You can analyze your performance using the machine learning algorithms, time series like Grafana, Kibana stuff, predictive analysis, and mainly CI/CD. So you can integrate this perfmeter.com with your enterprise CI/CD. And if you want to have the PerfMeter on premise, also there is an option. So you can deploy your own. You can create your own VPC basically. And they have something new technology called True Load Engine. So True Load Engine helps you to scale your JMeter to beyond the expectation. So mainly with the friendly interface, the UI stuff you can see here, and you can distribute the load across LGs and across the world. I think they have a lot of load generators across the world here, across the globe, starting from west coast to Australia, and even India also they have in Pune, Mumbai and Chennai, 3 places. And if you just scroll up back here, there are features with respect to JMeter, typical bottlenecks analysis, network simulation, scale performance test with thousands of users, and experience live test results with negligible lag. So I'm yet to explore these features. And if you just scroll down here, another important technology is Smart Script Designer. So this Smart Script Designer helps you to not to write any scripts basically, because PerfMeter script bot will automatically create the scripts for you. I'm not sure how it works. I need to I need to explore it. And also there are script converters from Loaderner to JMeter, which handles all aspects of correlation, test data, and URL requests, and also you can convert to Selenium scripts to JMeter. And with respect to zero scripting, there's a new technology, I think App Trial, enables you to robotic script generation in the background while you navigate your application on a test. So basically not like recording, but you have to navigate, and backend stuff will be done for you. And you can generate the script from the HTTP archive files from the browser. And this script designer will be available post beta for paid subscribers only. It is not available in the free trial. And when it comes to analytics, so here a lot of algorithms, machine learning stuff, time series, and predictive analysis, and what if scenarios also it is there. So I hope you have worked on MS Excel. So MS Excel also has a what if kind of scenario. So similarly, you can also predict the response time for the load. And also, of course, integration with the APM providers and cloud coverage, cloud load generators coverage, which I have already seen. And mainly the pricing. So pricing, I would say it's kind of expensive because they have 3 tiers. One is essential, elite, and enterprise. So enterprise we do not know unless you contact them. Essential, you will get 1000 virtual users, 200 tests, 3 load generators only, and it costs you $2,200 per year. And if you go to monthly, it is $199 per month. And for elite, you will get 5000 virtual users, 1000 tests, 10 LGs, and this will cost you around $5,000 per year. And the monthly is $500 per month. So there are some savings if you go to yearly plan. And if you don't want to sign up for the plan immediately, what you can do is you can sign up for 90 days. So 90 days you will get around 50 virtual users and 1 dedicated load generator and 15 tests and 180 minutes. So I think more than suffice, I believe, for 90 days, where you'll get ample time and you'll get 50 virtual users like LoadRunner and other major performance testing providers, and you'll get only 1 load generators. So I'm not sure if the script is pretty heavy. It is based on the UI, then 1 LG will not be suffice for you. But you can do API testing, lightweight testing you can do using 1 LG for 50 virtual users, and you'll get 180 minutes, so 3 hours of test. So that is more than enough. You can do even stress testing. And 15 tests, again, it doesn't say anything whether it's per month or per 90 days. I'm not sure unless we sign up and see. So if you scroll down, you can see a lot of links available, FAQs, privacy policy, quick guide, about us and stuff. So let us see what is there in about us. Let us learn about this company, PerfMeter. So PerfMeter, blah 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 here. So there is no leadership or team or nothing is there available. I think they still had to add it, I believe. Let us see FAQs. What's there in FAQs? Okay, beta phase. What is beta phase? How long is the valid? Okay, nothing about the team. I want to see who's the founder, CEO, CTO, etc. I hope it will be available soon. So that's it, guys, from my side. So what I'll do, I'll just sign up and then I will post couple videos about PerfMeter in next couple weeks. Next week is Thanksgiving Day, so after couple weeks I'll be posting about the PerfMeter. And do not forget to see my last video on Neuralink, where you will be able to win an Apple Watch Series 4 if you share your dashboard with Neuralink. So please do check it out, and happy Thanksgiving. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.